OBS. And the next thing is you want to live stream. You want to live stream. Now, by default, you can only live stream on one platform. By default, OBS allows you to only live stream on one social media platform. You can't live stream like 2, 3, no. But with the use of a plugin that is multiple output, that's what is here. This multiple output, this here. With this or a plugin, you can live stream to as many platforms that you want to. As many platforms that you want to. And another thing I want us to understand is that please, if you want to live stream, your laptop must have at least 8 gig RAM. At least 8 gig RAM. I'm talking about the specification of your laptop. It must be at least 8 gig RAM. It must be a Core i5. That's the least that it should have. Not that 4 gig RAM cannot live stream, but it will be lagging. You will not have a very good and smooth live stream. You will not have a smooth broadcast. In fact, when you check your live stream later, you will not even be happy with yourself. So I want you to please note that if you want to live stream, you must have at least 8 gig RAM of laptop, and it must be at least Core i5 of processor. And then you must have at least let's say 500. If it is HDD, it must be 500, and if it is SSD, it must be 512. It must have enough space so that you can actually record as you are live streaming. You know, there are some times that you might want to record and then just cut some short parts. That was later after the sermon. So it must have at least 8 gig RAM, Core i5, that's the least, and then 500 HDD or 512 SDD. That's the recommended laptop for streaming. And also, if you want to stream, please don't be opening too many apps, because most of the reasons why our live stream, our videos are lagging online is because we open too much softwares on the laptop at the same time. That's why I always advise, if you want to stream, dedicate the laptop only for streaming. If you want to do any other thing, like you want to bring in your Bible verse, you want to bring in your song, have another separate system for that. Thank God you can now connect 3, 4, 5 different systems together with the use of LAN cable, with the use of video capture card. Very easy. So you don't need to put every load. The same laptop you are using to stream, the same you are using to do audio recording, the same you are using to do easy worship. No, you want to kill that laptop. If that laptop is a gaming laptop whereby you have at least 32 gig RAM, fine. I even suggest. And also, if you have like NVIDIA graphics, dedicated graphics of like let's say 8 gig or 16 gig, or ROS, let's say 3080 or AMD system, and then you have, let's say, like 11th or 12th generation, why not? You can carry all the loads on it. But we don't, I said, using a low budget. I think the only thing you need to get here is your sound card, and then when you have your laptop already, you have your phone already, and probably data. That's all, and then you are good to go. You are good to live.